How to create a dice model in Sketchup in easy steps. So let's start. Draw a square. Extrude it. Now select Cube. Use JHS Powerbar plugin and subdivide in 5 by 5 grid. Now select Face and use Artisan Tool Inset option. Do it 1 by 1 in all side. Now select all Inset Face. Now extrude all faces inside. Now make this in a group. Now use Artisan Tool Subdivision option. Now you can render this directly in Sketchup. Go to Setting and select Render option. Edit Material. For more tutorial please like and subscribe. Thank you.